Kyle Larson capped off a masterful run from pole position to win the AdventHealth 400 at Kansas Speedway. The 2021 NASCAR Cup Series champion started from the pole and led a race high of 221 of the 267 laps. With the victory, Larson, who surpassed 10,000 career laps led before his Kansas victory, notched his 32nd career win in the NASCAR Cup Series, which ties him with NASCAR's Hall of Famer Dale Jarrett on the all-time wins list. This was also Larson's third win at Kansas, third of the 2025 season, and the 26th driving the number 5 Chevrolet for Hendrick Motorsports. Carson Hocevar survived a final lap challenge and on-track contact with Layne Riggs to win the Heart of Healthcare 250 at Kansas Speedway on Saturday. Hocevar started in 4th, led 3 times for a race-high 75 of the 134 scheduled laps, and raced up front for most of the event. The victory was Hocevar's 5th career win in the Craftsman Truck Series and his first since winning at Homestead Miami Speedway in October 2023. We hope you've enjoyed watching some of our pictures taken at the track by our photographer. Be sure to check back next week for some new shots of the racing action.